Okay, so we have our account, we have our theme. I'm going to go through and show you how to install the app Oberlo, which for those of you who don't know, is a powerful extension that you can use with AliExpress. And AliExpress will allow you to provide drop shipping items to your customers through your Shopify store. So if you do not plan on drop shipping, there's no need for you to watch this video. However, if you do plan on drop shipping through AliExpress, then you'll want to stay tuned to see how I set this up. So you go back over to Shopify and click on apps. And you can see that they place in 4 apps that they recommend, but I'm going to go ahead and click on Visit the Shopify App Store. And we're just going to type in Oberlo. And you're just going to click on that. And this does have a free plan available. Okay. And this is basically for anybody that has 50 sales or less per month, and then you're going to have to start paying. But that is when you have over 10,000 products in your store. Okay. So keep that in mind. It does have several different pricing options. But to get this on our store, you're just going to go ahead and click on Add App. And what this is going to do is it's going to connect it to your Shopify store. And then you're just going to click on Install App. Okay. And here we go. We've already connected our store. And then you can start importing products. And it actually gives you a quick overview on how it works if you're unfamiliar. But the first thing you're going to do is click on Settings. Your store name will be entered in here and only will be seen in the Oberlo app. Customers will not see this. Make sure that Set New Products is published, and this means your products will be pushed to store after you publish them. And then the most important thing is you're going to go down to this section called Auto Updates. And when a product is no longer available, you want to make sure that unpublished product is checked and to notify you. When a variant is no longer available, you want them to remove that variant and notify you. And when the cost changes, you want to make sure, and this is what I do, you don't have to do this. You want to update the price and the compared at price and notify me. Some people do nothing, and that's fine too. And then when inventory changes, update that automatically. Go ahead and click on Save Settings. And then you're good to go. One other thing that you're going to want to make sure you do is go down to Suppliers. And you can see here, it is only if you have the Chrome extension installed. I personally use Chrome for everything. So you want to make sure you just click on this to install the Chrome extension. Click Add to Chrome, Add Extension. And that will go ahead and add Oberlo to your browser so that you can push products to your store automatically when you're on AliExpress. And the other thing that you're going to do once you have this is you're just going to scroll down and you're going to make sure that your default shipping method is set to ePacket. You also want to make sure that your custom note includes something along these lines, and I'm just going to change this up a bit. And then click Save. And now when you go back into your app section of your Shopify store, you will see Oberlo is there. So I'm also going to walk through how you can do this for printful and digital downloads depending on what type of storefront you're going with. So stay tuned for another video.